The Policy Cloud project aims to harness the potential of digitization, big data and cloud technologies to improve policy modeling, creation, implementation and validation. The co-creation workshop was organized by the Maggioli Group, in the framework of the European Project Policy Cloud, with the aim of bringing together security managers operating at local, regional and national level, and supporting them through a free workshop to address the challenge of radicalization, offering innovative tools for monitoring, identification, analysis, and prevention of potential radicalization risks. Use the Policy Cloud solutions and join our growing community.